What's up guys? So for today's video, gagawa tayo ng Java program that checks if a number is not negative and not greater than 100. So let's start. Import muna tayo ng scanner. Lagay lang natin import java.util.scanner. Then, gawa tayo ng scanner. Pagkatapos natin gumawa ng scanner, gagawa naman tayo ng kung saan tayo mag-input. Yan, int means integers. Next naman is gagamit tayo ng if statement. If So, gumamit tayo ng if statement. So, and logical operators. So, meaning nito is greater than or equal to. Ito naman is and. And this one is less than or equal to. So, pag nag-input tayo ng number na greater than or equal to 0 and number na less than or equal to 100, ang lalabas is valid. So, ang ibig sabihin para ng if is true. And gagamit naman tayo ng false. Ng else pala. Else. Ang ibig sabihin naman ng else is false. So, ayan. If nag-input tayo ng number na greater than 0 and number na less than or equal to 100, ang lalabas is valid. If hindi naman, halimbawa nag-input tayo ng number na negative or 100, number na nag-exceeds to 100. For example, 101, 2, 103, and so on. Then, ang lalabas doon ay invalid. So, try natin. So, mag-enter tayo ng number na greater than or equal to 0. Sabihin natin 17. So, valid siya. Try naman natin yung negative. Negative 16. Invalid. Try naman natin yung number na nag-exceeds from 100 pataas. Try natin 107. Invalid siya. So, ganun lang gumawa ng Java program that checks if a number is not negative and not greater than 100. So, yun lang.